Want to smash your PTE describe image score in your next exam? Stop making random guesses. This one template works for graphs, charts, photos, and more. Let's break down every secret line, every do and don't, and see real Band 90 answers for every image type. Save this, share it, and let's smash PTE speaking. First, here's my proven template that helped 100,000 plus students get top marks with One Australia Group. Template. The given image shows type of image, graph, chart, picture, photo, etc., which illustrates main theme/topic. It can be clearly seen from the image that feature and feature. The image not only shows feature, but also shows feature. It can also be seen from the image that feature. Overall, the image on picture is quite informative about main trend or summary. This formula is gold: print it, learn it, use it. But how do you fit any picture or chart into this? Let's walk through all the do's and don'ts. Let's start with the DOs. Do start by identifying the type and topic. Begin with a clear sentence stating what the image shows: bar chart, line graph, map, photo of people, etc. Do highlight key features and trends. Mention the most noticeable details: highest, lowest, increases, decreases, or unique elements. Do use linking words, use connectors. It can be clearly seen that. Moreover, for smooth transitions, do paraphrase and vary your vocabulary. Never read out labels, describe in your own words, use synonyms and vivid phrases. Do cover at least 3 to 4 distinct points. Talk about main features, secondary trends, and any exceptions. Do conclude with a brief overall statement. End with a summary about the trend or insight from the image. Do speak clearly and naturally. PTE scores pronunciation and fluency. Practice pacing and clarity. Don'ts. Don't focus only on one feature. Give a balanced overview, not just one category. Don't read out labels word for word. Summarize and describe, never just list. Don't ignore structure. Don't jump randomly. Keep a logical flow. Overview, features, trends, conclusion. Don't use informal language. Keep it formal and academic. Avoid stuff, things, or contractions. Don't pause too long or speak in fragments. Continuous and fluent sentences score higher. Don't guess causes or add opinions. Only describe what's visible. Stick to the facts in the image. Let's cover different images one by one. 1. Bar chart. Let's say you get a bar chart of sales for 3 products across 4 quarters. Here's how to use the template. The given image shows a bar chart which illustrates sales by quarter for 3 products in 2024. It can be clearly seen from the image that product Z consistently has the highest sales in every quarter, and product X has the lowest sales overall. The image not only shows quarterly variations in sales, but also shows a general trend of decreasing sales from the first to the fourth quarter. It can also be seen from the image that product Y maintains moderate sales, staying between X and Z throughout. Overall, the bar chart is quite informative as it highlights the dominance of product Z and seasonal sales patterns. DO highlight highest/lowest, unique/special features, and mention how patterns change over time. 2. Line graph. Now, suppose it's a line graph showing tourism value for 4 sectors over 12 years. The given image shows a line graph which illustrates the value of international tourism to Milton-on-Sea for 4 sectors from 2012 to 2024. It can be clearly seen from the image that resort hotels started the highest but decreased steadily, while attractions overtook hotels in the last years. The image not only shows changing values for hotels and attractions, but also shows food outlets and hire cars increasing gradually. It can also be seen from the image that hire cars and taxis remain the lowest, despite small growth. Overall, the graph is quite informative as it displays how preferences shift with time for each sector. Do mention time-related changes, crossing lines, and stray values. 3. Pie chart. Let's take a pie chart about coffee shop costs. The given image shows a pie chart which illustrates the distribution of expenses in running a coffee shop. It can be clearly seen from the image that labor accounts for the largest share of costs and food supply is the second highest. The image not only shows labor and food supply as major expenses, but also shows categories such as lease and utilities, admin, marketing, and miscellaneous. It can also be seen from the image that marketing and miscellaneous costs are the smallest parts of the budget. Overall, the chart is quite informative as it highlights which categories have the most impact on total costs. DO refer to proportions. largest, smallest, second largest, etc. 4. Photos, images. Suppose you get a photo showing people working in snow. The given image shows a photograph which illustrates people working together to clear snow in a cold outdoor environment. It can be clearly seen from the image that the individuals are using shovels to remove large amounts of snow, dressed in warm clothing for harsh winter. The image not only shows teamwork in difficult conditions, but also shows a diverse group, possibly from different backgrounds. It can also be seen from the image that there are animals such as penguins nearby, hinting the location could be near a polar region. Overall, the picture is quite informative, highlighting cooperation in harsh weather and the human-wildlife interaction. DO describe actions, environment, and details that set the scene. Avoid stories or guesses. 5. Maps, process diagrams. For process diagrams, the given image shows a process chart which illustrates the steps for recycling bottles. It can be clearly seen that collection is the first stage, followed by sorting, cleaning, and eventually production of new materials. The image not only shows step-by-step progression, but also shows feedback loops where sorted materials are sometimes returned for further cleaning. It can also be seen that there are bottlenecks in the cleaning phase, leading to delays. Overall, the diagram is quite informative, as it demonstrates complex recycling processes from start to finish. DO list, clear stages, highlight cycles, point out entry/exit points. Practice saying each template line aloud for multiple image types. Record yourself for 25 to 40 seconds. Listen for steady pace, clear structure, and natural transitions. If stuck, write out 3 to 4 possible phrases for each line, then mix and match as you speak. Adapt template for images with less obvious data. Focus on colors, sizes, number of categories, or visible actions. Extra DOs. Always organize your description. Start broad, move to details, finish with a summary. Watch your pronunciation. Clearly say numbers, categories, and labels. Try timing yourself on each description. You want 35 to 40 seconds for a full answer. Extra don'ts. Don't contradict the data or invent explanations. Don't ignore less visible elements. Briefly mention them if space allows. Don't rush. Pace shows confidence and helps scoring. Ready to boost your Band 90 score? Use my template, practice daily, and you'll own every PTE describe image. See more real answers, join my live classes, WhatsApp +6 14016165524, and download our free PTE app called Mockmaster, available for both Android and iPhone. And hey, don't forget, subscribe to our TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube. Smash like, drop a comment with your next video topic, and let's win this PTE together. I am Malcolm. Good luck.